Hello viewers, today we are going to see another coding problem to check whether the entered number is even or odd. So for that one we are writing the code here in the C language. So first we are going to include the header file standard input output. So hash include stdio, that is standard input header file .h, right? So then after that one we are writing the main function, that is of the return data type void main, and here the body. Okay, so in this particular main function we are going to write the logic. So first we are required to get the number that for we are going to check whether it is even or odd. So we are declaring the one variable of the integer data type, that is int num, and that number we are required to take from the user. So we're writing one statement, printf double quote enter number, then semicolon to terminate the particular code of the line. Then after that one, by using scanf statement, we are going to take the value and that should be assigned to the variable num. So for that one, as we are using the integer data type, so format specifier we are using %d, then comma and ampersand num. So at that place the number variable will be assigned the value that has been entered by the user. Then after that one we need to write the actual logic to check whether the entered number is even or odd. So for that one we are using the if loop. So under the if loop we are going to write the logic. So we are taking the number, if that number, whatever the number we have entered, that's divided by 2 and its remainder is equal to 0, then we are saying the entered number is even. Okay, so here see the logic. If you are writing say 4 divided by 2, okay, so and its remainder, when you are dividing 4 by 2, say 2 2s are 4, so remainder is equal to 0. And if we are dividing say 5 divided by 2, okay, so 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, so that should be the odd number. So remember the logic is here that whenever the any number that has been divided by 2 and its remainder is equal to 0, then we can say the number is even, and else the entered number is odd if there should be the remainder other than 0, right? So here we have what are the logic required that we have discussed. Now we are going to implementing that one. So we have written if num mod 2 is equal to 0. So mod operator will be using here to get the remainder value, and that should be we are comparing is equal to 0 or not. If that should be 0, then we are writing here printf in double quote entered number, that is of the percent data type is even. Okay, and that is stored in the num variable, right? So else we need to write the another printf statement. If that is not the even, that means we are getting the remainder other than 0, then entered number is what? So entered number will be the odd number. So we are writing entered number %d is odd. Remember here what are the variable we have declared, that is of the num. So we are writing here num, so that should be printing here. Now we are going to execute the code and check what should be its outcome. So we are entering the here say num, the value of number is say 8. So the output is what? Enter number 8 is even. Okay, now again we are executing the code. Again we are passing the value of variable say 19, that is 19, and see the output, the enter number is odd. So our program is successfully executed and it will give me the correct answer. So whatever the number entered, it should be compared and it should be given you the answer, right? So we'll stop here.